Hello guys, it's me, your friendly neighbourhood Welshman. I thought I should give you a little update on what's going on. Why I'm posting so many videos lately. And I need your advice. Stick around, you people are the ones I'm doing this for. I want to know what you think. So, I haven't been going out camping as much lately. I feel like I've lost my love for it a little bit. But that's not to say I don't want to go again. I feel like I've had a lot of friends where camping is like an escape. So if they haven't got everything they want in life, they end up going camping a lot. And it's just like a distraction, a once a week thing to make you feel happy. Now, nature does make me feel happy, but I'm so happy in my personal life at the moment. I haven't felt like I've needed to go out. This could get a very personal video. Apologies in advance for this. I've been getting into car boot sales lately. Seeing if I can like flip things around for a higher price. Make my own sort of shops online. And that's great. I don't need it. It's just a bit of fun. Yeah, it is a way to make extra cash. Yeah, I do need some extra cash. Everyone does, obviously. The camping channel. I've been camping for a month. A month. That's the longest I haven't been in 3 years. I don't know what's going on. I honestly don't. The last time I went, I'll be honest, I didn't enjoy it as much. I didn't tell the boys this, but we were on a mountain top. I didn't film properly. I didn't tell people who was coming and going, what I was doing. I feel like my views are going lower and lower. And I don't know why. If anyone can let me know, that would be great. Obviously, I'm sharing my adventures to just because I love showing what I'm doing, sort of thing. But I do love to get a lot of people watching. Obviously, because, you know, you get in more views, it means more people are interested in what you're doing. Not interested in how much money I'm getting or anything like that. It just feels like when you put a lot of work into the editing and the videoing and stuff like that, you hope a lot of people are going to watch it. And I admit, my videos have not been up to full quality lately. I haven't been putting so much effort in. I was watching some of my old videos and they seemed a lot better quality. Yeah, but I've been really happy in my personal life. A lot of you will know, last year went off the rails a little bit. I won't go into that, but I wasn't happy. I thought I was happy, but I wasn't. But now I am. I know I am. So, I just want your views on sort of where we should be taking this channel, because it's your channel as well as mine. You can tell me what you want to be watching. I know the sort of extreme camps do well. It really bugs me the way that, you know, if you search for wild camping on YouTube, the first ones that come up are girls, right? The girls that seem to wear less on the thumbnail, they're the ones that get the clicks. They get like 1 million views. A girl turning around and she's like, you know, there's no top on her, she's just in her knickers. Or the face is completely filtered. You know, that's been bothering me a lot lately. And the next one is extreme camps. So I got stuck in my tent for 16 hours. You know, sometimes that happens to me, but I don't put it as the title of the video. You know, should I be putting more clickbait stuff? I don't feel like I should. I know there's people out there and they've obviously had a normal camp, but every single video is like, what's that noise? You know, I got stopped. Oh my God, Karen approached me, or something weird like that, you know. Yeah, so I'm not sure which way to take. I've got a lot of reviews planned, but I just haven't been feeling them lately. You know, I've got this radio now. I'm going to be putting a review of this up. It's a cracking radio. But I've got so much stuff going on, I just haven't felt the time to do it. Duvel by the guys. By the guys? Duvel by the way, guys. Belgian beer. Top quality. What else I want to say? So, stats into the channel, right? I don't often reveal this sort of thing. I'm getting 30,000 views a month. Now, that's not for my camping videos. That's for reviews. So, reviews are the big thing. But I know regular subscribers of the channel, they don't want to see that normally. That is people searching for certain products and they want to find out more about them. So I know they do well over time. So what I want to know is, what do you guys want to see week to week? What should I be focusing on the camps? Because I will be going out camping again. Definitely plan it again for next weekend. So that would have been 5 weeks break. That is a crazy long time for me. In the last 3 years I haven't done that at all. Now I did try to start a new channel about AI generated videos. It didn't do very well. And it was like focused on demons, and when the Olympics came about, and it felt quite demonic to me. I didn't really want to be a part of that scene. So I sort of abandoned that channel already. Would you like to see car boot sale type videos? I don't know, maybe that could be another channel. Basically, I want to know, what's your favourite parts about my videos? Do you like the can stamping? Do you like the tent setting up? Do you like the food? Let me know and I will put that in there more. I've never done a video like this before, but I would like to know people's opinions on it, because the channel is for you. You're the ones who are watching it. I watch it too because it's memories. But I would like to know, what's your favourite parts and what should I be leaving out? You know, maybe you hate the walk up there. Maybe I shouldn't be saying anything on the walk there. I don't know. But yeah, like I said, this is a very personal video. Would like to know your opinions. Thank you. Leave them in the comments. And I will do that next week. Thank you.